Oh, we got a badass car today. This is a 1970 Chevelle, and it has an LS3 with a Pro Charger. It has a 6-speed manual trans, upgraded big brakes, suspension, a cool interior, one heck of a sound system. It's got it going on. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. There'll be pictures, videos, descriptions, finance information on every car. There's a QR code on the screen. You can scan it at any time. It'll bring you directly to this car, or there's a link in the description. They'll do the same. But for right now, let's go for a spin. Yeah, this car is just way cool. It's not a nut and bolt perfect car. It's a nice 7 out of 10, and that's being very honest. A lot of people call it 8 or 9, but this thing is just beautiful. It is nice. So clean, straight, got the raised SS hood. All this is looking really nice. No issues. The fender's all nice and clean. All this is looking good here. There are some little imperfections in the paint. A little something here. I don't even know what to call it. Like something got on the paint maybe a little bit, a little touch up here. That's why I say it's not perfect. The stainless moldings are all good, but they're not pristine. Door shuts real nice, quarter panels clean. The trunk is all nice and clean, and just catching at different angles. I see a little couple divots right there. It's the beautiful Fathom Blue with the white stripes. They're smooth to the touch. The metallic is laid out evenly, polished to a high gloss finish. There's a hairline crack. There's a seam right here, and there's just a hairline crack right there. So these flaws are not anything that stands out to anyone that's going to walk up and look at the car. You'll know they're there. This is all nice, clean, straight. Here's a couple touch-ups right here, a couple chips on the edge of the door. But again, just overall appearance, absolutely beautiful. Fathom Blue, laid out nice, polished, very glossy. The windshield's been replaced, has the hood pins, the bumper, nice 7 out of 10. Everything up here looks good. LED headlights it's upgraded with. It's got the dual mirrors. Weather strips are good. Sitting on 20-inch American racing wheels. Those are some nice looking wheels wrapped in Nitto performance tires. Coming around the back, the rear window's original, but very nice. The back bumper looks like it's been re-chromed. No, it's a 7 out of 10. You know, at first glance, it looked brand new. Now I see it a little different angle. So very, very nice, very attractive car. I got a lot of really cool stuff to show you. I called this car a 7, but the cool factor is a 15. The colors, the wheels, the stance. Check out this trunk compartment. So it's painted blue, has the stickers. The jams are nice, but look what we got here. It's all, not just box, but look at the contours and design. And there's all sorts of speaker and stereo equipment. Big giant subwoofer. There's amplifiers and equipment on each side behind these panels. This is some really cool stuff. Carpeted floor. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when videos are posted. And before you get inside, look through this back window at what we got going on here. Look at this rear shelf. Look at the speakers with the tweeters. And it looks like ports for the subwoofer. Just really cool stuff. That's the coolest rear shelf I've seen. And the jams are very decent. The interior is really cool. Check out the sculpted door panels with the blue stitching, and the little blue stripes in it. Really cool stuff. I'm going to light up this dash and show you something that I think is really awesome. First of all, I'm going to light it up. They're blue lit gauges. And check this out here. Isn't that cool? That's really awesome. You got some ports here. You got the heater control panels, real nice. Touch screen stereo system down here. LED lights under the dash. Look at the speakers and the kick panels. It's got one heck of a system in it. The carpet and the mats are very nice. There's some LED lights in the cup holders. Completely custom console. Remember, you're going to be shifting a 6-speed. That's just awesome. Manual shifter. Look at the blue striping and the stitching. Armrest, very nice. Very comfortable, sporty seats. Again, all upholstered. It's all matching in here. Same thing in back. You got the center console, cup holders, very sporty seats. I'd love to be sitting back there. It just looks so comfy. Side panels match. We already looked at the rear shelf, but let's look up at the headliner. All custom to match the rest of the interior. And it's an absolutely cool interior, custom sculpted headliner. Billet Specialties steering wheel with the flat bottom on a tilt column. Got the upgraded push-in fuses. So yeah, really, really cool stuff. Again, cool factor off the charts. And this thing revs, it sounds like a race car. It's an LS3 motor, about 600 horsepower. It's a 6.2 liter, highly upgraded, Holley EFI ignition, forged pistons, LS9 cam, a blow-off valve, and a V1 Pro charger. Intake is painted blue. It's got some stainless headers down there. This here's all polished stuff here. Serpentine pulleys, a B-Cool radiator, a front filler panel, two big electric fans on the radiator, custom cold air intake, overflow bottle. That looks like a pretty fancy alternator, probably to power all that stereo equipment. Power steering, power brakes, got a reservoir for the hydraulic clutch. So it's a pretty potent package right there. Michael gets the fun job of demonstrating it for you. I'll see you in a few minutes.
Juices flowing first thing in the morning. What do you think about that, Max?
Yeah.
Nice little supercharged LS3 for you. This thing's fantastic. I just had the chance to pull a U-turn with it. Super tight turning radius. This 6-speed manual clicks right into the next gear. It's quick as could be, and I'm really digging it. Comfortable as could be too. Ooh, and it makes really nice noises. But we are comfortable in this TMI interior. Let's see what she's got. Okay. And we are officially speeding. Let's bump it down into 6th gear and see where we're sitting. It's like about 65 miles an hour and 1,500 RPMs approximately. So she's ready to cruise all day long. You hit the gas pedal, you see what you're gonna get. You think that was fun, Max?
Yeah, really fun.
Oh man, great car. Bump it down into 4th. Yeah, she's dialed in and ready to rock. I want to go around the block one more time. That was a lot of fun. Come take it for a test drive if you'd like to, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So the cool factor continues underneath. It's got a ride tech suspension, big fat tubular control arms, and a big fat sway bar, coil over adjustable gas shocks. Similar deal in back. It's a 4-link setup with big fat control arms, sway bar, coil-over adjustable gas shocks. It's got an all stainless exhaust system, fat pipes. Actually, I think it is a pipes system with the X pipe. Big brake setup on it. Up front, it has 6 piston calipers, and back it has 4 piston calipers, and it is drilled and slotted discs at all 4 of the wheels, and it has an electric e-brake. There's a little flaw in the paint right here. So you push the button and it sets the electric emergency brake. The fuel system's all been upgraded and replaced for the fuel injected motor that's under there. You look up at the motor, it's aluminum, has a high torque starter. It's a Tremec 6-speed transmission with a hydraulic clutch. It's a 12-bolt rear end with a Detroit locker, 373 gears in there, and the floors appear to be very solid original. So one heck of a cool car. You are going to turn heads. You're going to feel amazing driving this thing. You're going to have a smile on your face ear to ear. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions like how to get your Pro-Charged LS3 Chevelle delivered home. Thanks for watching.